Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 5th of June. Cancer, your channel message is Leo, it's Leo, Ace of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting something about a Cancer, Cancer female, Cancer male. I'm getting somebody have a dominating Leo placement. This Leo placement may be in Sun, Northern Node, or Moon. Could be Venus, okay? I'm getting something about a Leo, okay. Getting something about a Leo. I'm getting a Leo want to give you something. Now, the King of Pentacles can be a business owner or a contractor. Maybe the Leo want to hire you. Somebody want to give you an opportunity, Cancer. I'm not sure if somebody's trying to get close to a Cancer to get close to you. All right? Because I'm getting like this, somebody going kind of, I'm getting stalkish energy. Like somebody is stalking you. Or them kind of want to get close to you. But I'm getting something about there's a man in them circle. He could be a Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I don't know if he might talk to her to get close to you. Or she's talking to him to get... No, it's a man. It's definitely a man. Yeah, I'm getting something about a man. Him want to give you something. It's a Leo. Okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Cancer. First card out is the Eight of Swords. Okay, so we get Eight of Swords talks about being stuck. In this case, I want to say you're stuck, and the reason for you being stuck is a Leo. I'm getting a Leo keeping you stuck. So you may feel like you're going around in a circle, or you may feel like nothing you do works. I'm getting is because of a Leo. Okay, it's a businessman, it's a business owner. We have the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody want to help you. Real bad. That's like somebody make a false allegation on you to lock you up in prison so that they can post bail for you. We're getting somebody really want to help you. I don't know if somebody will watch you. Because I'm getting something about you're stuck. Or you don't have help. You don't have any way to... You don't have any way to navigate this. And if you navigate it, it only going to require you to have help to navigate it. So maybe the Leo is the one who wants to give you help. Regardless if they're the one to put you in this situation. We have the Queen of Swords. But I'm getting someone... Okay, so I'm getting if you're a harsh person, if you're a very strong communicator, as in you don't take bullshit from nobody, right? I'm getting somebody scared of you verbally. So maybe them think them have to put in a very needy situation for you to be gentle with them. Because I'm getting even if you're in the Eight of Swords, you're still pretty... You're acting like a CEO, even though you're living on childcare a day money. So this is very concerning. How is it that you're going to come into my office acting like you are the second owner of a Tesla, sweetie? And you're not rolling with the big ballers when it comes down to TD trading. What the fuck, right? We're getting, you don't care if you're broke. You don't care if you're rich. You're going to talk the same. You're going to be the same. Maybe somebody's... I don't know if somebody feel like withholding things from you are going to make your ego. It's going to make you more, you know what, I need to kiss ass. Oh, that's what it is. Because, you know, I went on the whole social sector of job searching and job hunting, you know. And I noticed that they're teaching me how to kiss ass. You know that, right? I met with a social worker the other day. And it looked like she teaching me how to kiss ass. And I don't know how 311 going to work with me. Because the least place that I would kiss, especially if you have done nothing for me, is your ass. So this is going to be a very interesting social experiment getting me into the workforce. Them teaching me to kiss ass. Is that what you're doing, 311? You divided the social sector with the employment sector because the social workers didn't want to tell us to kiss ass. They had to get someone else to tell us to do it. This is crazy. So somebody want you to kiss ass, but me getting even when you're stuck. Even when the struggle is motherfucking real, bitch, I'm getting still the Queen of Swords. Because your confidence don't come from money. If you're in if you're in a needy situation, you're in a needy situation. The facts remain the same, just because your environment isn't. We have the Moon card, okay, I'm getting something about your mom. We have the Two of Pentacles, and we also have the Ace of Pentacles. That was your message. Your message was the King of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, right? What was the other thing? Never mind, right? That was your message. We're getting Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting something about trading, something about a job. Because the Eight of Pentacles, me getting even if somebody wanted to offer you help, them giving you Six of Pentacles, which is enough for you to come back. I don't know, there's something, I don't know what is it about your intelligence that somebody does not understand about you yet. But I'm seeing you getting an opportunity. I'm seeing you getting something more stable, more long lasting. Now, I don't know if somebody are trying to run in and ask you for work for them company because them can't claim upon tax, them can't claim benefits. Because everybody know it does not matter. Any building I go into, the revenue of the company will go up. You should know that. So I have choices. I may not have the choices according to Canadian standards, but listen to me. Whichever building I go into, that building will be making money. You need me more than I need you. You should know that. Hope y'all know that. Anyways, continuing the fucking reading. Yeah, you'll get an opportunity. You'll get something. You're getting somebody wants to stress you out, wear you down, make you feel like there's no hope. Maybe I should pray for an opportunity. I'm getting y'all get something either way. I'm getting somebody, you're acting too intelligent. Maybe that's what it is. If you're trying to find love, perhaps act dumber so the men don't feel intimidated by you. If you're trying to find a job, probably don't act like you have so much confidence. Kind of act like you're needy, desperate, and you really, really need to find your next meal. Anyways, Eight of Swords is clarified by the devil. Yep. Somebody lock you the fuck up. You locked up. You know, so whatever I do to you. They're getting something about her ex or something about a Capricorn. Come and feel like somebody's like, I don't want her work. But then them like, okay, we'll make sure work, but don't make them see her. So you want me a call center, bitch? That's what you want to do? Might as well do one job or wear a COVID-19 mask. Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Fool card. Yeah, freedom. Come getting somebody to keep up on a wheel, a spin. I don't know how much time they're going to try to break you. You're not breaking. Apparently, you're very comfortable with being with the devil or in a devilish situation. And the man who putting you through this is a devil too. So you probably know where the attacks are. The targetness, you know where it's coming from. The Queen of Swords clarified by the Nine of Swords. Sorry, Queen and Nine. Okay, so this could either be an older female who's supposed to help you do something, but for some reason she get the low. It's like, you see if you go to a recruiter, like a employment agency, me getting she'll get the lowest of the lowest picks. Maybe somebody's a fat, ugly bitch. She fat, and she don't have no blood clot. She don't have nothing about her, basically. She old. Perhaps when her time was here, back in the dinosaur days, she didn't have options. You do. And worse, if you're a young person and you don't have kids, a lot of people will envy you, especially women in human and resource management. The men in human resource management may want to fuck you on them decks, but the women will definitely be envious of you. I'm getting Shaggy the lowest of the lowest pick. Because you're beautiful. It's like she's telling you about your intelligence and you're standing here looking beautiful. Or somebody kind of colorist, them racist. They're a snobby bitch who you come into them office. And because of the color of your skin or the puff or the curls of your hair, that bitch knew right away. She would have put you where she put bitches like you who she don't like. Perhaps you remind her of a young woman who used to fuck her man. We don't know. But what we do know is, yeah, me getting something about, like, she telling you something. But you don't even care. You don't care. So if you're very, very pretty, somebody might tell you to dress down. If you're very outspoken, somebody might be like, listen, you don't have to be talking about all of that. Just say this, this, and this. They're teaching you to kiss ass. They're teaching you to kiss ass. That's what the fuck they're doing. The Moon card is clarified by the Six of Cups. The Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, come getting you get an opportunity. See, we're going from 6 to 7. No, yeah, work. Would you consider cleaning? Listen. I just always wanted to be a cleaner, you know, janitorial services, you know. I couldn't think about any other thing I could put my time into other than cleaning. You know, and I like it. It gives me diversity, and I can pretend to be Islamic and cover my face with a mask. So it's something that I really, from the moment I got here, I decided that, listen, cleaning would have been something that I loved. And chances are your house is dirty. So I feel like people like me is deserving to societal norms. I'm getting a job. Is it something about outside landscaping? It could be something about gardening, something about like maintenance of outside. One more, the Ace of Pentacles. I'm getting is a Leo do this to you here. So whoever you talking to, them I call back a Leo. That's kind of what's happening. Is either somebody that try to get you closer to them. I don't know, because I'm getting corruption. A lot of corruption. Like, I'm getting, I'll get the last pick. Even though you're the first pick, even though you're the first pick, somebody will give you the last pick. So, if there's anything I can teach you, is that when you notice that you have no options, or you have limited options, you choose the option that will create the most shit. The Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Three of Cups. Something about girls, women only. Maybe somebody want to place you in a place with women. And since we're on the topic of women, it is Pride Month. Be who you are. I just want the younglings, the people who just reach age of consent, and maybe the old people them who did not know about the he, she, it, him, they, them, chair pronouns. If you come across a girl and she tell us that she pansexual, she lesbian. If you come across a man and they might tell the same pansexual, him fuck man. So bisexual people say them fuck men and women. Pansexual people fuck anything. You could have be trans, you could have be a trans gay man. The pansexual will fuck you. You could be a trans woman. You see, you know what I would start to do? I can't say I'm straight anymore. I'm going to say I only fuck men who fuck women. That is what I have to say now. I can't talk about straight and bisexual and demisexual and two blood clot spirits, right? I just have to put it out there, but only fuck men who fuck women. You see, if you fuck man, or you fuck man who look like woman, no sir. So I just give you the heads up, especially the young people who going into dating. If you meet a girl and she talk about pansexual, she fuck anything. Which is even worse than bisexual people, because you fuck anything. So I just want to give you a heads up. Alright, because she might say, oh yeah, I never had sex with a girl, but I had romantic feelings for her. Yes, so the girl a lesbian. Tell me, why are you gay? Gay and pansexual. Who said I was gay? You are gay. He's just gay. He's fucking gay, brody. Or you meet a man. Him gonna say I only had romantic feelings, but I only had brat about him, man. Man fuck man. I don't know why them a try for. I don't know why them a try for fucking scientific name this. We have shark, okay? So maybe something about you, the Leo why you work around girls, that not gonna make you fuck women. You should know that. Woo! We have Aquarius. We have shark, yeah, we have double shark. Shark, you see? I'm getting you're about to fuck up someone's whole fucking shit. We have the number 5. We have the soul was sold. And nous avons the number 8. And 5 and 8 is 13. So you mess with the right one or you mess with the wrong one. We don't know. But what we do know is that Bell Canada wants you to know that even though the person who is recording this video is sponsored by Rogers, Bell Canada will come back. Especially if they're anything like the electrician that I used to know that work at Bell Canada. Until next time, bye.